Hey Chemistry! For Monday you're going to practice drawing Bohr models for different elements. This is what we went over on Friday during our Zoom meeting. If you didn't get a chance to make it, make sure you review the PowerPoints that I posted in the general feed. They are also under Files. We are in Unit 1. What you're going to do today is you are going to draw Bohr models and fill out this chart. If you don't have a way to draw on your computer, most people don't, I recommend you do this on a piece of lined paper and upload an image of your work. I'm going to go ahead and do one of them with you to help you get started. I'm going to do carbon because it's kind of strange in terms of number of valence electrons. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So the first step for drawing a Bohr model is to figure out number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So if I go to a periodic table, there's one linked in the assignment. I have carbon. Carbon has an atomic number of 6 and a mass of 12.01. I'm going to round down to 12. So an atomic number of 6 means that I'm going to have 6 protons. And a mass of 12 means I have 12 protons and neutrons. If I subtract my protons, I get neutrons. I have 6 neutrons. Next thing I need to do is I need to add my electrons in different layers. Let me switch colors so I don't get confused about what's nucleus and what is electron layer or orbitals. First ring can hold 2 electrons, so I'm going to draw my electron level and put 2 electrons in it. Okay, that's 2. I still have 4 electrons to add, so I'm going to have to draw a second level for electrons. And then I'm going to add them 1 on each side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I had a 5th one, they'd start to pair, but I don't. So let's fill out the rest of the information on this chart. Number of valence electrons, and it says outer shell. So how many electrons are in the outer shell? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. It has gain or lose electrons, and how many. Remember, if an atom has 1 through 3 electrons, it's going to lose them. If it has 5 through 7 electrons, it's going to gain them. 8 is the number to fill an orbital, except for this inner one, which has 2. And because carbon has 4, it's in the middle, so carbon can gain or lose 4. Usually an atom is going to gain or lose. And the resulting charge, well, if it gained 4 electrons, it would be -4. Remember, electrons have a negative charge. And if it had lost 4 electrons, it would be +4. So if you have any questions while you're filling out this chart, feel free to send me an email, @ me on Teams, or it'd be great to see some of you in office hours. Bye, Chem.